I went camping and hiking halfway across the world with 11 complete strangers in Canada, and this is how it went. We were picked up from downtown Calgary and started making our way towards Lake Louise. Our first stop was Canmore, where we stocked up on some snacks and some food for the trip. I naturally picked up some seltzers for the week. From there, it was about half an hour to 45-minute drive to our campsite. It was absolutely pouring, and at this point, I was questioning whether it was the right decision to camp in the Canadian Rockies. We got shown how to set up the tent from one of the guides, and luckily we had some help setting up our tent as well, which really lifted my spirits. We had a debrief about how things were run on the tour and had dinner together, which was really nice. We pretty much went to bed straight after, and that was our first day.
Morning. We got in last night at about 5 o'clock and set up camp. We just had breakfast and I'm gonna get ready. Last night was rough. It was so rainy. Yeah, everything was so wet, but hey, not raining today, so really happy about that. I didn't have the best sleep. This is our campsite. The guys next to us helped us set up last night, which was sick. It's pretty cozy in there. We are at Sanson Mall in Lake Louise. It was literally down the road from our campsite, but we're just getting some snacks and water for the hike. So pretty. Lake Louise. So pretty. Wow.
I chose to join a tour with a company called Fresh Adventures, and I wanted to do a tour because 1, I was traveling by myself, and 2, I am a hiking rookie, so I wanted a professional guide to take me to the best spots, and 3, it was one of the most cost-effective ways to do it.
Hi. We are at the tea house at the top of the mountain getting a snack. I might get a soup and yeah, tea maybe. Cheers, girl. Oh, sorry. You left me hanging. I'm sorry. I don't know if the video does it justice, but I've never seen anything like this before. I've done a lot of hikes in Australia, but to see snow on the mountains, it's pretty beautiful. I think the whole way up I was like, wow, I'm so happy that I'm here. It makes up for the rain that we had last night. It hasn't rained at all on the hike so far, so we got super lucky.
I'm a proper Brit, yeah? This is how I speak.
Wow. It's crazy blue.
I saw you get the baguette. I was like, what is she making tonight?
Just finished dinner at Marine Lake and we are heading back to the campsite, and I'll end the night here. Good morning. Wait, I just woke up. It's about 6:30 and I'm going to head to breakfast and see what they've got today. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't have the best sleep, but it is what it is. But it's another day and it's not raining, so I'm a happy girl. What do we have for lunch today? Oh, chicken wrap.
Yeah.
Nice. Morning, Pierre.
How are you?
I'm good. Pretty much the same stuff as yesterday, but we have croissants. I'm going to make myself a coffee. What? I think I'm the first one at breakfast. Almond milk.
Or like it doesn't matter any pads you have.
Interesting.
Yep. Challenge there.
We are hiking on the Wilcox Pass. I find that the terrain is a lot more foresty, but you can still have a view of the beautiful mountains behind me. It's about a 500-meter elevation. We have stopped for some tea, little tea break on the hike.
How do they move? Because it's like more packed and packed, but then
I just had a shower and I am walking back to camp now. The hair is a little bit crazy, but keep in mind I am camping. But I wanted to give my review of the trip so far. I feel like the views have been amazing. The Rockies have been so beautiful, and the people in the tour group have been so lovely. Everyone's always down to have a chat. They're super supportive. If you need anything, they're always willing to lend a hand. If you had told me a couple of years ago that I'd be doing a solo camping trip with a group of strangers by myself, I would have said hell no. But I'm really proud of myself and I'm so grateful to be here. Canada was never a destination that I wanted to go to, but I'm so grateful to be here, and my cup is very full right now. He's like posing.
Right now.
Alright, here, sit in the middle, sit in the middle. I think we're so.
You have to. We just got to the rafting place and just signing up waivers and paying. Tent for the night. We have just arrived at our Banff campsite, and this is where we'll be staying tonight. Say hello, Maya.
hello.
How are you feeling?
How am I doing?
Yeah,
Fantastic.
that's good.
Genuinely.
Yeah, we just had showers. We have clean hair, so we're really happy. Today is Canada Day, so that's very exciting. We wanted to go to the pub, but there was no tables left. So we're having dinner at the campsite tonight.
You're gonna be live.
Yeah, baby. The prices of the hot springs in Banff. Just arrived in Banff town. It looks beautiful. I think we're going to get some lunch.